English na your mate. Either you are intentionally defending error or you are ignorantly defending the same error. You come to my comment section and said, pastors do not force you to give money. It is your money. After all, how much do I have to give? You are the one who said that Yahoo is a thief. And I ask you, did the Yahoo force you to give your money? You said no. But you are here defending a pastor that he did not force you to give money. What a hypocrite are you? Okay, fine. I agree with you that the pastor did not force you to give out your money. But the same you is in my comment section telling me I am forcing people to be Igbo. Is it not the same way your pastor has been convincing you on the altar? I am setting a video convincing you on internet. Have I pointed a gun or used a weapon to cajole you like the Fulani are doing by threatening you that if you are not Igbo, you will die or they will kill your village people? But you are here using English wrongly. That's why I said either you are doing it intentionally or you are ignorant. Because if you know the definition of force and still use it wrongly in application of word in this case, then something is wrong with your understanding. They said if things are not properly defined, abuse is inevitable. That's why people are abusing the system and the life we're living. Look at this post. I have consistently made sure that I present my video with facts and evidence. I have never accused anyone that is Igbo without presenting fact and evidence. When I started making video, many of you are saying, you don't know history. What proof do you have? I now started presenting proof now. All you want to do is that I'm forcing you to be Igbo. Am I using rope for your neck, dragging you to be Igbo? Are you not Igbo? Look at this. These Sokos, Delta State recognize all of them as Igbo-speaking communities. This is this Soko North. The local government, all the villages they are recognized as Igbo. Look at it critically, pause it and look at it. Igbo-speaking tribe, that's what they call them. Have you seen any of us who are making videos saying that we are Igbos in Delta on rivers, saying that these Sokos are Igbos? Have you seen any of us? Have you seen any of us make such video? Why? Because they are speaking our language doesn't mean that we should drag them to say they are Igbo tribe. I'm the one saying it. But you that is Igbo, by your dialect, by the name of your village, by the name of your clan, you are Eche, you are Ogba, you are Ikwere, you are Nukwane, you are Ndokwa, you are Uika, I still denying that you are not Igbo. Is anything wrong with you? Are you not crazy? How do you want thunder to fire you? Is it by Amadio style or by Shango style? Because something is actually wrong with your understanding and comprehension. Eche is Eche. Eche is not Igbo. What is the difference between Eche and Nsukka? You are speaking Eche dialect. Nsukka is speaking Nsukka dialect. But at the end of the day, both of you are speaking Igbo language. Understand English. That's why I say English not be a mate. You lack comprehension and you lack understanding. And you are telling me I'm forcing you to be Igbo. Don't be mumu you be. These people now that are Isoko, we have never found they claim them to be Igbo, even though they speak Igbo. We know that. That's why in Igbo, we send up 1-9. This is our brother. It's not like the Benin that called us slave and still wake up tomorrow and say that we are their descendants. That is where the difference is. That is what we are trying to prove. That all of you are not descendants of Benin. I've said it consistently that whenever you use the word descendant, it means you're automatically a Benin man. And that's why we cannot call Isoko people descendants, because that means we are saying that the Isoko people who speak Igbo are our Igbo already. We call them our brothers. These are our brothers. This is what we're talking about. Say me I'm descendant of Benin and you are telling me I'm forcing you to be Igbo. Nah, Igbo. I'm out of here, Joe.